Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson 11 class 2 of African drum with singing. Today I am going to teach you the first verse of our song called Vulindlela. Our first verse is gonna go like this. Vulindlela wema mkoposi yonyana wam yeleluya shata namhlanje vulindlela wena manyauza suba nomon unyana wam uthathile. Let's try it again. Vulindlela wema mkoposi yonyana wam yeleluya shata namhlanje vulindlela wena manyauza suba nomon unyana wam uthathile. Let's sing it while playing the African drum. Let's try it again. This is the end of our African drum with singing class. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.